This is IPOB family in New York City displaying Onyendu MAZI NNAMDI KANU, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. Today is 30th May 2023. So we are right here in New York City, United Nations. We are doing our Heroes Day, and this is how we starting it right now. And this truck would be displaying Onyendu and his situation in the Nigerian, and from there we are going to let the world know that he was transitioned to Nigeria, from Kenya to Nigeria, and the court have gave him judgment for him to be released unconditionally, but the Nigerian terrorist government refused to do that. So we are going to let the United Nations to know that today in New York City. We are right here in United Nations, but this is one side of it, but United Nations is there, so we are going to move down that way once we started. And these Biafra women, they are getting prepared, and a woman working in United Nations saw the display of Onyendu and the Biafra, so she began to say that she knows much about Biafra and everything, so she's trying to collect more information, and she says she's going to go online and do the justice for Biafrans. So she's happy to see our beautiful women, and that is the cloth that attract our beautiful women, that the cloth attract her. She was saying beautiful, beautiful. So the dress up attracts the woman, but when she come closer, then she began to know who they are, that they are Biafrans. So that makes her to be, to have more interest, to begin to discuss about Biafra, that he knows much about Biafra. And some people think that the world doesn't know who we are. People know only thing that we don't. We are the one putting ourselves backward. So it's time for Biafrans all over the world to come up and let us, or come out, let us let the world know that we are in existence, and we need our land back from the hijackers, which is Britain and Co. So we have to control our future, not somebody else from Britain or somewhere else to control our future. So this is the time we have to show up now. So thank you, and as time goes on, we will always give update. So we are just starting, so more people are coming, but we just arrived here, so I've decided to do this short video. Thank you.
Media Pinnacle Entertainment.